All right, so welcome back to the Entrepreneurs Corner, where we interview entrepreneurs, we talk to them, get to know them, find out about them, things of that nature. And we have here a lovely lady by the name of Denise Perquette. We have the lovely Denise Perquette here. I'm normally call her Miss P, but we're going to call her full name, Denise Perquette. So, Miss Perquette. So what it is that you do?
Okay, so I am one half of Vision Suite Media, which is a photography and videography company alongside my husband. Mm-hmm. And I also blog about self-care, lifestyle, and motherhood.
Oh, blog about self-care, love, self-care, and motherhood. How does that vlogging going?
No, blogging's right. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's going good.
Okay.
I just recently started a series called Take Care Tuesdays.
Take Care Tuesdays?
Yes.
Okay. What does that consist of?
So on Tuesdays, I post videos that are basically going deeper into how we nurture ourselves.
Okay.
And I give like tips and ideas for whether it's like self-care or enhancing your self-love or how to teach mindfulness to your children.
Dope.
So yeah, things like that.
Okay, that's what's up. So how long have you been blogging?
So I have been blogging. I've been blogging for a long time, but I kind of like started and stopped, and recently I decided that I'm gonna do it for real. Okay. So it's been since October. My website's denny.com.
Okay.
And that's with 2 N's and 2 I's. N-N-I-I.
Okay.
So I've been doing it officially since August. October.
October.
Yes.
That's right. That's what's up.
Yeah.
So how is this? So you do photography and video as well?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So how's that coming along?
It's coming along well.
Doing the COVID. How's that coming along?
It's been very interesting. You know, you kind of take a lot of precautions, and you have to make sure that you make the client feel safe.
Okay.
Especially if they have children involved.
Right.
Make sure that they feel comfortable with you being there. So it has been a little difficult, but we've been making it through.
Let me ask, what is your favorite part of shooting photography? What do you like to shoot when it comes to photography? Or videography?
I like to shoot, so recently we did a shoot in the woods.
Okay.
I love to shoot in the woods.
Was it still or video?
It was actually both.
Both, okay.
Someone had a birthday, a milestone birthday, so they wanted to, memorialize it.
Yeah.
And
that's dope.
Yeah, so we did a video for her out there, but also, did the shoot as well. We did a couple of different scenes and outfit changes. Okay. So that was very fun. I like to shoot outside in nature.
Right. Yeah.
More so in the house.
Yeah.
But I
Do you like natural lighting or studio lighting?
I love natural lighting.
Yeah, I love natural lighting too.
Give me natural lighting.
Give me natural light any day of the week.
Right.
It's just, I don't know, it's just something about natural light that you can tell studio lighting. You can tell when you have like a, one of those soft boxes.
Right.
That it doesn't really bring that. But I love natural light.
Yeah.
But so that's all I got for you. So tell the people where they can find you at. You'll give your social media, your handles, your website.
Okay.
And all that good stuff.
So my Instagram is DennyNoP, and that's spelled DenniIinop.
Okay.
And you can also find my website at www.denny.com. Again, that's with 2 N's and 2 I's. Yeah.
All right, cool. Hey, thank you for coming.
Sure.
Thank you for being a part of this.
Absolutely.
So yeah, guys, you heard it first. Please check her out. Check her website out. Like, share, subscribe to all her social media platforms. Do all that good stuff. Comment, engage. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Book her.
Yes.
Her and her husband.
Yes.
Book them for your next shoot. All right, so peace. That's crazy.